Indian feast for 4 people and around 30 minutes for around $30, and things smell ridiculously authentic in here. Butter chicken's done. All I need to do is toss some spinach in these chickpeas, and while you were gone, I got set up for a mango lassi. Sounds like, here boy. Not that kind of lassi. It's a drink, and it's a really cool drink because it cools you out when you're eating really spicy curries, and it's sweet and savory, so it's got some sugar in it, but it also has a lot of fragrant spices. Lots of mango, and you want it pretty sweet, so like a nice big glug of honey. You could use sugar if you wanted to, white sugar. There's just something really nice about honey. Because it's Indian, you need to put a little bit of yogurt in it because it's like tangy and it makes it silky. Milk is the base for it, and I use frozen mango because it acts like the ice cubes and it makes it really frothy. And then just some regular old ice cubes, maybe a few cubes. All right, and here's the fun part, the spices. So the first spice is cardamom. It is so floral, it's like a love tap for your taste buds. And another spice I like to put in there is cinnamon. Not too much, just a little dash. And this is kind of funny, and this is optional, but a little sprinkle of salt kind of helps season the spices. That's it, hit it. Yes. All right, let it buzz up, and I like to put the cups in the freezer because it looks really cool. Excuse me? Oh. That's so good. Now you want to give it a little taste because you might need to adjust the sweetness in some of the spices. Oh, it's amazing. It's nice and fruity, sweet, spiced out. I like big glasses for the adults and then little ones for the kiddies. Lassi's a great thing on a hot day. It's just really cool and refreshing, and especially if you're having really spicy curries, it just takes the edge off. It almost reminds me of like one of those frozen drinks that you get on the mall, but this one's way more exciting because you made it. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's got everything.